Good morning, students. Today we will study your chapter number 7, The World of Living. In primary classes we had already learnt about living and the non-living things. We are already aware that living things are those which can breathe, grow and move at their own level are said to be your living things, and which do not move, breathe, grow are said to be your non-living things. So on the basis of living and non-living things, we are having the table here. You can see here listed below are a few objects, things. Classify them as living and non-living things. So name of some objects are given. You have to categorize in living and non-living thing. In table you are having living. Here you have to write down the living things. And second one, non-living, those which can't breathe, grow or move. Okay? So let's talk about first chair. Chair grow करती है, breathe करती है, move नहीं. So this is your non-living thing. Second table में आप इसको note करो, chair. Then cat. Cat आपका living organism है, तो आप first table में इसको टिक करो. ठीक है. Baby also grow, move. That's why baby is your living thing. Pencil आपकी move नहीं कर सकती. That's why it is your non-living things. Elephant can grow, can move. That's why you write down in your living column. Trees. So tree are also your living thing. They grow. That's why they are considered as living. Cow is also living. It is an animal. It can breathe, move or grow. That's why in living column. Rose, flower. This one is again your living thing. Rose, flower. After that, shoes आपके non-living है. Book is again your non-living things. Just have a look on the table. So these are your living things: cat, baby, elephant, tree, cow, rose, flower. These are your living thing, and non-living things are these: chair, pencil, shoes, book. So it is clear from this table that variety of living things are around us. All living things have certain common characteristics. These characteristics are quite different from those of non-living things. Let us try to study these characteristics in detail. Important one, do you know fact? Very important. Virus is a microorganism which has the characteristic of both living and non-living things. Question आ सकता है, name one microorganism which have characteristic of both living and non-living. So the answer is virus. वायरस आपका माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म है जिसकी दोनों ही कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है, लिविंग और नॉन लिविंग थिंग दोनों वाली. ओके. आफ्टर दैट, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ लिविंग थिंग्स. क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है लिविंग थिंग्स के? तो फर्स्ट है आपका, लिविंग थिंग्स आर मेड अप ऑफ cells. All living things are made up of cells. What is cell? Cell is the basic unit of life. Underline this. It is a structure and functional unit of plant as well as animals. Cells are so small that we cannot see them with our naked eye. We need to use a microscope to see them. So cell is the basic unit of life. Okay, it is the structure and functional unit of all plants as well as animal, and it is so small that we cannot see it with the help of our naked eye. So we have to use the microscope to see cell. A newborn baby has about 2000 million cells. Very important. The number of cells in living things vary over an enormous range. Amoeba is a single cell organism, right, and is known as unicellular organism. Those which having single cell are said to be unicellular. Bacteria and yeast also belongs to the category of unicellular organism. So these are the example of unicellular. Bacteria and yeast. Yes, unicellular means one. So amoeba is the single cell organism. That's why it is said to be unicellular. And examples are bacteria and yeast. You can also see the picture of amoeba. So this is the cell membrane. This is nucleus. This is vacuole and this is food vacuole. Okay. Sometime in examination this is going to be asked to draw the diagram of amoeba. So you have to draw like this. Okay. After that, an organism which consists of many cells is called a multicellular organism. Single cell को आपने unicellular कहा है और having more than one cell said to be your multicellular organism. Human beings, underline, cats, horses and ants are the example of multicellular organism. तो ये example आ जाएंगे. अगर आपसे definition पूछ रहे हैं unicellular, multicellular, तो आप यहाँ से first वाले point लिख देंगे और with example. First में bacteria and yeast और multicellular में human में cats, horses और ant, इनमें से दो example लिख देना. Okay. After that you are having very important activity number 1. Yes, let's see your activity. 1. Peel off an onion and carefully take out a leaf from it. ठीक है, आपने एक ऑनियन लेना है, उसको छीलना है, पील करना है. Now separate its membrane. और अब क्या करना है, जो आपने उसकी लेयर उतारी है उसमें से पतली सी, बिल्कुल पतली सी स्किन जैसी होती है, उस मेम्ब्रेन को अलग करना है. Put the membrane on a neat glass slide. ठीक है, it will available in your biological lab. तो वहाँ पर आपने एक स्लाइड है, उसके ऊपर रखना है. Put a drop of saffron, ये भी आपको केमिकल लैब में अवेलेबल हो जाएगा. And put a cover slip over it. स्लिप से कवर कर देना है. Observe it under a microscope. तब आपने इसको क्या करना है, माइक्रोस्कोप के नीचे इसको ऑब्जर्व करना है. Do you observe a structure similar to the structure shown in the given diagram? Yes, it will be like this as shown in your book. You can see the diagram which is given in your book. Yes, this is the onion peel consists of cells. So what you have to do, आपने एक ऑनियन लेना है, प्याज लेना है और उसको पील करना है, कट करना है और उसकी जो लेयर है, स्किन लेयर, उसको आपने क्या करना है, निकालना है और उसको फिर क्या करना है, आपने स्लाइड के ऊपर रखना है और उसमें सैफ्रेनिन की ड्रॉप डालनी है और फिर इसको माइक्रोस्कोप के नीचे ऑब्जर्व करना है. तो द स्ट्रक्चर विल बी सिमिलर एज शोन इन योर डायग्राम. इट विल बी लाइक दिस. So this is your activity 1. Onion peel consists of cells. So this is all about today. Thank you and have a nice day.